Yo, what up guys? In this video, just going to break down this 6.4 RR win I took on NAS last Thursday. This was pretty much at the end of the day, New York session. It was almost midnight, but I did catch this fat win on NAS. So we'll just quickly break it down. This entry was taken on the 15-second. So starting from the 1 hour time frame, we're in a bullish model. That's all we need to know. So we're good for longs. 15-minute. Also in a bullish model here. As you can see, the back and forth and accumulation. I believe the zone that I grabbed for this trade was a 4-minute zone. So yeah, going into Asia session on this day, obviously price was just delivering bullish. We made this third break, tapped into the supply zone, sorry, not the supply zone, the demand zone. In that we got our type 1 validation with that triple M, swing candle updated to this triple M, and then price made a push, came back towards the MAs here, yeah, in the Keltner channel there. And so starting from right here, basically I was watching this all night. I didn't see any, we didn't get any entries this whole way up, but we did get a cluster on this break specifically, break 3. So this would have been the beginning of stage 1 with that cluster. That wasn't a valid entry for me though, but we ended up breaking down into react. And pretty much we made a very tiny fractal break. So that's why this was like a pretty big win, is because the fractal break that we made was, you can see we had FB1 get created right there. We get an instant pullback, and then I pretty much just slapped my buy stop on the FB2. So yeah, pretty tiny stop loss there. That's why this was a plus 6.4. But price pretty much ran directly to the TP. I was not in this for longer than 5 minutes, literally. That's actually, sorry, 10 minutes. Yeah, 10 minutes in and out, plus 6.4 R. That is over 5 figures for me on all my profit accounts, so it was pretty cool to make that in 10 minutes. And yeah, I pretty much was getting out of the shower actually as I saw this setting up, and I entered it on my phone. So yeah, sometimes you just got to be watching at all times. I thought I was going to bed. I didn't think there was going to be a setup, but we ended up catching this. So GG's. That's how I ended the week off pretty much. Actually, no, I think I did end up taking like 2 losses on Friday after this. But still, GG's. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.